Okay.
Hey guys, next we're going to test a solenoid, a starter solenoid. Remember, this is nothing more than a great big magnetic relay. We've got these two terminals right here. When we induce power, positive and negative power here, it brings on the magnet, which connects these two terminals. So we've got the meter set up on tone. So when you touch these two terminals together, it tones. So now we're going to prove that the solenoid is working by connecting. Here's my jumper battery that I've got between my feet here. Got my jumper lead sitting here. Got the ground hooked up. Now I'm going to hook up the positive. Hear the relay kick on. Okay, that means the solenoid is functioning. Okay?
We have continuity.
Do we have continuity across those two terminals after inducing power onto these two terminals, making the magnet work, bringing the magnet up, the plunger up, and engaging these two posts to each other. So now we just made low current, high current. Now we're able to put high amounts of current through the posts. One of these goes to the battery, the other one goes to the starter motor. So we've got battery power here and starter motor on this side. So as we connect these two terminals, we're putting the battery terminal jumping across to the starter motor terminal, inducing the power to the starter motor. Now on the starter motor, to bench test a starter motor, what I'd like to see you guys do, you're going to be careful we don't arc out and melt these threads, okay? Because that's if you melt the threads, the starter motor is no longer any good. So what I'd like to see you guys do is connect right onto the ground lead, onto the positive lead, so that we're not going to melt any threads. And now we can go right onto where it bolts onto the system, right onto where it bolts on, cut the ground onto it. Starter motor's working.
We have liftoff.
Starter motor stops. Works. Doesn't. And I'm not arcing out on my threads here, so I'm not going to melt anything. A little bit of arcing here is not going to hurt anything. You're not going to get electrocuted by this. There's no power that's going to be transmitted through. This is low, small battery. Unlike AC current from the wall, don't mess with AC current coming from the wall. You got a positive DC current coming out of that battery. It's not going to hurt you bench testing a starter solenoid. It's not going to hurt you when you bench test a relay. You can touch the two terminals of the battery all day long. It's not going to hurt you in any way, shape, or form. You got to be careful of the big amps that come out of the walls.
And hold on to that starter good, because it will
jump. The starter motor will kick a little bit when you hit power to it. It will kick a little bit. Be wary of that. Remember, it's an electric engine. An electric motor that is starting to turn. So it's going to have a little kick to it, just like your motorcycle. When you chuck a rev on your motorcycle, or picture your car, chuck a rev in your car and you watch that engine twist. Just doing the same exact thing. It's kicking. All right, let's go out and see how a solenoid works on an actual motorcycle. Okay, break.